Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Paneer Makhani is one dish which is generally loved by everyone and is also popular on the menu in most Indian restaurants. So today let's see how to make a quick and easy Paneer Makhani. For that, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil along with 1 tablespoon of butter. And once the butter melts, I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and now I'm going to add tomato puree. So basically I have boiled 4 tomatoes here, medium-sized tomatoes, which I have peeled and then ground to a nice fine puree. So let's add this to the ginger garlic. Just let's cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. I've kept the flame on a high. Now I'm going to add half a cup of cashew nut paste. So basically I soaked 12 cashew nuts for about half an hour to 45 minutes and simply ground it to a fine paste. I'm going to add this to the tomatoes. Let's mix this well and let's fry this masala really well till the oil starts separating. As you can see, the oil has already started separating. Let's add our spices. I'm going to add a tablespoon of red chilli powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chilli powder. Mix this well. Usually the makhani gravy is slightly sweet, so you can add sugar or you can add ketchup, whatever you like. So here I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. You know, if your tomatoes are not really too sour, then you can skip adding the tomato ketchup. Let's add some salt as well to this. Just let's cook this gravy for a minute or two. Now what we're going to do is heat another tablespoon of oil and add a tablespoon of butter to this as well. You know, the makhani gravy usually has a lot of butter and it gets an amazing taste because of the butter. I have about 350 grams of paneer, which I'm just going to fry in this butter gently and slightly. So we generally fry the paneer so that it remains nice and firm and doesn't crumble into the gravy. So in here, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and just fry it for a few seconds. We don't want to burn it. Going to sprinkle some salt. We've already added salt to the gravy. And now what I'm going to do is simply pour this gravy on the paneer. And now to this we are going to add water. So the water I'm going to use here is the water that I had used to boil the tomatoes. Just going to add this to make a lovely consistency for the gravy. Just going to gently mix this. A teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. Stir this gently. And now I'm going to cover this and cook it for 5 minutes on a medium to low flame. We've kept the Paneer Makhani to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes and it's ready to be served. I'm just going to garnish this with some Kasuri Methi powder. And a nice heaped teaspoon of fresh cream on this. And our Paneer Makhani is ready to be served. You can have it with crisp parathas or any bread of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.